Is Newton a cold wallet? Intro. Hey everyone, a world where your digital assets are as safe as your physical gold. A world where your crypto holdings are protected from hackers, viruses, and even natural disasters. Is Newton that world? Hook. You've probably heard of cold wallets. They're like Fort Knoxes for your crypto, right? But what about Newton? Is it a cold wallet, or is it something else? Building context. Let's dive into the world of crypto wallets. There are two main types, hot wallets and cold wallets. Hot wallets are connected to the internet, making them convenient but also vulnerable to attacks. Cold wallets, on the other hand, are offline, making them much more secure. Newton, a closer look. So, where does Newton fit in? Newton is a digital asset platform that allows you to buy, sell, and hold various cryptocurrencies. It's a popular choice among many crypto enthusiasts. But is it a cold wallet? Let's break it down. Newton offers a variety of features, including a user-friendly interface, a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies, and secure storage. However, it's important to note that Newton is a custodial platform. This means that they hold your crypto assets on your behalf. The custodial debate. Custodial platforms like Newton offer convenience. You don't have to worry about managing private keys or securing your own hardware wallet. But there's a trade-off. When you use a custodial platform, you're essentially giving up control of your assets. If you're looking for complete control over your crypto, a cold wallet might be a better option. Cold wallets give you full ownership of your private keys, allowing you to store your crypto offline. However, they can be more complex to use and require careful handling to avoid security risks. Newton's security measures. While Newton isn't a cold wallet, it does take security seriously. They employ various measures to protect your assets, such as multi-factor authentication, MFA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring you to provide multiple forms of identification. Cold storage. Newton stores a portion of its customers' funds in cold storage, which is offline and highly secure. Regular security audits. Newton conducts regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. Is Newton safe enough? Ultimately, the decision of whether or not Newton is safe enough for you depends on your individual risk tolerance and needs. If you're comfortable with the custodial model and Newton security measures, it can be a convenient and secure option. However, if you prioritize complete control over your crypto, a cold wallet might be a better fit. Conclusion. So, is Newton a cold wallet? No, it's not. Newton is a custodial platform that offers a variety of features for buying, selling, and holding cryptocurrencies. While it's not as secure as a cold wallet, it does take security seriously. The best choice for you will depend on your individual circumstances. If you're looking for convenience and security, Newton might be a good option. But if you prioritize complete control over your crypto, a cold wallet might be a better fit. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.